All right, my name is Obed Champon. You can call me Sobed. This is Obed TV here on YouTube. Behind the scenes, I am one. Ya compiling in and Jade bro. Asante Kotoko RTU. Game ended 1-0 in favor of Asante Kotoko, and this is the arrival of the team. To the players technical team video analyst for see form. So we are going to give you a comprehensive report of all the things that happened behind the scenes. I'm proud to air the victory over RTU. At the air, bro. From the arrival of the players to the exit of the Asante Kotoko players. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now, Ariano, Mamin's engineer mu empacho say the Asante Kotoko family apologizes to all the fans for a match no more postponing from 3 to 6. Our official communique a buy, but I'm bantem no club and say omo air pahocho, but almost adamase or drama chomo. The first round nina enyasem ketwa. So this is the Kotoko team. Andrews Intimenu, Michael Che Jamana, Richmond Lamte, and so Omosisi from Yusuf Nuruddin and Sharif Mohammed, last player to get down on Hibrenya NDH. This is the warm-up of the Asante Kotoko players. Delightful warm-up. Omachi team I'm a first team and a warm up in. So you see Blay, Babaya, Lamte, Sharif Mohammed, Isaac Opon, and Peter Minu Aqua, Mukwala, and Henry Ansu, na Yusuf Nuruddin, on a Abrantefen Enoch Morrison. More bench, so no, almost Bomo Rondus, na Omu Chinchimo. There's the referees, na almost so a warm up. At this time, Nandi Paba Stadium on and Shadan Dawson. But by the time you be game, you realize that not be brave. Etimi Abapa. So watching the Kotoko training, this is what they do. Some of the things they do are players not edihiti or up. Now this is when they were coming onto the field, and as usual, match commissioner Ena Idienim na referee Julian Nunu on Nigeria referee of the year last season in the Ghana Premier League were picking the ball. Captain of the day Richmond Lamte, Fred Kasai, Isaac Opon, Justice Blay, Peter Aminu Aqua, Papa Yaya, Steve Mukwala, Enoch Morrison, Yusuf Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, and Henry Ansu. So Omoba Hafiz Adams on an Echato Edematima, your friend RTU. Now Kotoko team players no field, so then you get as usual Nuruddin, Sharif Mohammed, Henry Ansu, Omobo Mopaya Ansu. We'll talk about the player ratings later, but also they entered the field, and away team, home team be welcome to home team be jina na moba na more church because of COVID, Ibima Blue. Now at this time to say na echita for I started eba in kakran. So now yinjina we so na yembo Pokupan tertiary abaso enra na omasho omo red na ubi ageni Christmas che ewo ha omo tonyom ebo nsem 90 minutes. They were the rock behind Asante Kotoko. Now God being so good, game ended, and this is where you want to see the laugh and the commitment from all the players. So much church or do any idea man of the match Richmond Lamte say taking the pictures. Any idea. Now you move on to other things. On the RTU, Yusuf Nuruddin about RTU was the captain of RTU. So our solid relationship with them. Don't forget Coach Ogum Sono on the RTU coach near very close. So they were Scott greeting themselves. Nuruddin taking pictures with some of the players. Nkwalana by and na every person Nuruddin picture. Now the gift keeps on coming from Asante Kotoko supporters to their players, and I want you to pay attention to this part. This is where Yapo game na Kotoko players now to so biya jenisu na omobeko Pokupan tertiary ho normal kudiasa. Now then we saw a Kotoko fan, a military man say Oba Park and so, and he was having a big bag. And a bag so most of us ignored it. Now pay attention to it. na players no call Porcupine Tertiary because at this time na we number I don't say we never say ya nipa bebree episode mu kofie na omokoda among big people so most people left the place. So the players went to the Porcupine Tertiary guys. So I'm change Jamana na Edo Masi. You see the goalkeeper trainer Joban, and the young guys are getting welcomed by a Porcupine Tertiary. Then we came back only to see say a boot and commander Eddie Fiabroche for 3 players. One Babayaya, he bought a specific boot for Babayaya, and he said what they buy na omo presented. Then Justice Blay, so Oman boot and the last player was Richmond Lamptey, and he said what they bromo. And inti bag na bonechino yan said them who by before you realize no. Now I saw Lamptey into Nuruddin on any former teammates. Then we came back and realized that Lamptey so the account or the bread 3 players. Babayaya, Richmond Lamptey, and Justice Blay.
Then I will catch it for.
And then the American said, they didn't come in my chita for the show. Okay. Or match originally at 3 o'clock. And that time I say it's never another time. Until my chita for in our fancy. Young fancy. In fact, I am from for Roman fancy. The first I am from Roman fancy. What about my boss said? Among my because no more my match and time the issue. Match in real and sla keeping you talking with that. But the next Giloni knows of whatever. His name is referee. It's an apology to referee in Ghana. Oh, he's not apology to referee. No. There were incidents. There was ultimately more than what he did. It's an apology to referee in Ghana. What's the main time complain about referee? For the first year, doesn't mean say referee did it's a muna and pass a catch. 1 year there, and then 24th. GNE 3 points and then Saka said 1 goal, half goal, I get 3 points. The supporters, the technical bench, the players are sick. And indeed,
still winning the league.
Still they need it all. I was saying that Lamptey, my pass, no. And not the pass that one. I just make all my pass. I need it all.
And then Lamptey, man of the match.
Yes, he deserved. I was thinking, man, double man of the match. Say, man, one phone. I was thinking, man, 3 phones in there. And I was justify why I say different backstar. And I'm telling you, what do you call it? Richmond Lamptey is heading towards Black Star. Nobody can say no. His time is now. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of my boys. What I say, I'm proud of my boys.
I am Kunima, the other day supporters in us. When last room match, said and sister by late hour. Management, I've been supporters who say NL24. I don't feel be able to call Mobushi out. And that's a bubble on the trail. And I'm saying last room match, the between people. How many through a finish start and poker side, Mobushi to share for body classes. And the big dinner of the issue of supporters in the answer, sans sign a ballot. The Bible is super Casa, what do you say? The supporters a bar match in the and players, you know, of much as almost a club. The trip back of a boss is here and I for support and that's a super Tinefia. For second round, as an American, because the next match you call before I have a fool. We have 2 matches over by and then you go home. And today I'm probably I said, hey, home match where the supporters in the bar. Now, let me just let me have one management. Now, players back whom you know and say, which media social. Now, it's me up one supporters by the reality and you create team now, born air, born. Maybe software you. I never can say players in the match, drama supporters, we are seeing in our official path. And the amount say, Pian, so 2 matches, over 2 matches, and then you do rub running. Back where you know, has the broke match, I so be a family. The match in the Bowie, so Pian said, Nabonedi, and the do so at us. And the package I said, the market supporters are 2 raining and they are more Piazzo Pia Fundy Bruna. Then you know, so much more, and me making sure I prepare. They are making sure that ball now boys in the bono. Boy now boys in the bono. They must support the boys in it. And you more, sumo, say about 3 or 7 about 4, 7 about Friday, 7 about 1 day. And for Monday, crying about the best support. So the boy in the ball is more supporter. There is a good team. The best team to leave, so I'm an appointment. That support is going to be. It's the players in the management. any technical team my Christmas package and the kind of supporters and team really make sure say I mean second round the Baba sports at the club. Well, it's a team no you say season I see a problem to me kind of several times. Station bi o me recordings no come say you be first round and the second round so bi aka so ba be twa team na an ka so be twa player ba ko an ka so be twa player no be nya players 7 na twa omo ko be no so side any pen be nya baba ya be nya lamti players omo popo akasa eti the players na say the technical team the management na say we are fee yes ya baba ya ra ya wie akaya away match ba ko jiri se ko bia so the so bia we are fee bia that is ready to say supporters they say omuna TV omo dia na enkoyi ni no omo ka se se enkoyi ye nyina mra ye mabo ba ira ma we make sure say we better team it we are team.
Well, and NSA staff back story about say ticket once and some am ya so I don't know your take on that. Now tie ball me cheaper me nim say what ya same way one
jiri say bibia no bed e an evidence here ye nyina jiri say e pass say e take it in sense ba ye na ehun san ye ma we nyina fi say Kotoko elu su mani bebre the shot say e ba ta support so ba dum say anya akora ye nkola Kotoko mu the power Baba Yara sports na say mama ye kon radio su ne e pa supporters so say be gu Baba Yara sports do ni e wie na scan e be ba na ye hwe ni pa no kro egu ho na ehun say scan no e sha it's the bia dey voice out na BBS be a professor Thomas will be a police boy and you say out on see the strase e Teresa Kotoko supporters and I see a G club na chino so the because wo ha na e ka ono e panyin no dan NSA no e say o make sure say okofom no ko yenhwem say da be emfa nim guasa nye den e ma me gina obi o hobi ani ya che obi a e den ko aspa police station a take it a twa ani sika nko de donje Kotoko ya so dem ba obedi anka bebre akose police sponsor na o mo make sure say o mo yenhwem no e ba bontin wi a Professor Thomas maybe obi ani no obi kan e so me nyina kan bom sika na ba na ya tie ni nyina bi ko ka bento na bia park na bia bibia ma na boan the pass ko hu bibi na so boss tia Kotoko a e pass on na no begu ase sesehwemu ne ba they say they alert you call any there any baby take me free by from classroom take it by ni ya hu ni nyina fi say mistake mu police wey hwemu wie na bo obu ya obe ani yeso mu nsem ya beka any the supporters in the say omo so bo omo ni da ho no making sure say 1 city 2 cities no make your club the club no and your supporters in be na bo etie na so na kwese operations it is say akodi police sponsor no me nhwemu na kwere fa so akodi police sponsor mo ko accountant tu ni na kan ho ana mo so mu no no ko e it asem we team we say obede e kan say info na rani it wi Kotoko wi afikese it wahini ani agi akire Kotoko bi so nyina agi akire it make sure say police sponsor mo ko do mo nsem asco police station mo make sure say on baby be a pinchim diamond say be kwa bonti ko bodawu so supporters me Kotoko once the grand family na team le betina upon the top of